How to mine on your GoMining account. First, create an account or easily log in with your social media profile. Before creating your miner, you need to add funds. GoMining supports various payment methods, for example, credit or debit cards, Apple Pay, and cryptocurrencies like the GoMining token, Bitcoin, and USDT. Now for the fun part, click Create Miner. You can customize your miner based on your budget or preferences. The more computing power, the higher your potential daily and monthly Bitcoin rewards. The app will show you estimated rewards as well. Choose your miner's computing power and energy efficiency. Remember, you can always upgrade later. You can also select Fun Miner Trade to personalize it. Your miner is an NFT you can trade. GoMining offers a secondary market where you can buy and sell miners at any price you set. This is great for quickly selling or buying miners at potentially better price than the primary market. Once you've made selections, click create miner and that's it. You're officially a Go miner.